children, good morning. Welcome to the online classroom of Sri Gokulam Public School Guruvayur. I am Joyce, your maths teacher. How are you children? Hope you all are fine. Tell me children, what did you learn in the previous class? Yes, we have started our new lesson, that is money. We need money to buy things, right children? Yes. We learned our Indian money is called rupees and paise. We use rupees and paise in the form of notes and coins. We have seen different notes and coins that we use in India, isn't it? Yes. We learned different notes and coins have different values and some notes and coins have the same value. Do you remember? So today let us learn how to count money. See children, counting money is very important in our life. So let us discuss how to count money. Are you ready? Yes. Did you observe that on each coin and currency note there is a number that shows its value? Let us see. Here you can see some coins. The first one 50p. We know 50p means 50 paise. We learned the letter P is used for denoting paise and this is the symbol we use for denoting rupee. So this is the coin of 50 paise. Here you can see the number 50. So the value of this coin is 50 paise. So let us write here 50 paise. Tell me what is the value of this coin? Yes, here you can see the number 1. So this is rupees 1 and this is rupees 2, this is rupees 5 and this is rupees 10. The value of this coin is rupees 10. Is it clear? Yes. We learned 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. Do you remember? Yes, 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. See children, here you can see 2 50 paise coin. Can you tell me the total amount? We have 2 50 paise coin. We know the value of this coin is 50 paise. This also 50 paise. So let us add 50 paise plus 50 paise. What will you get? Yes, 50 plus 50. What is 50 plus 50? Let us add 50 plus 50. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5, yes, 10. So, 50 plus 50, we will get 100. That is 50 paise plus 50 paise, which is equal to 100 paise. We learned 100 paise is equal to rupees 1. So, we can say that the total amount is rupees 1. That is 2 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. 2 50 paise coins make 1 rupee. Is it clear? Yes. In this way, you can count the money. Right, children? Yes. Children, let us solve some more examples. Here we can see 2 1 rupee coin. We have to find out the total amount. We know the value of this coin is rupees 1. This also rupees 1. So let us add rupees 1 plus rupees 1, that's equal to 1 plus 1, 2. So we can say that the total amount is rupees 2. That is 2 1 rupee coins make 2 rupees. Right children? Next, here we can see 2 2 rupee coins and 1 1 rupee coin. Let us add this. That is 2 plus 2. What is 2 plus 2? Yes, it is 4. 4 plus 1, 5. So the total amount is rupees 5. So let us write here rupees 5. Is it clear children? The last one. Here we can see 5 1 rupee coins. What is the total amount? 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So the answer is 5. That is when we add 5 1 rupee coins, the total amount is 5 rupees. So let us write here rupees 5. Is it clear children? Yes. That is rupees coin and a 1 rupee coin makes 5 rupees, and also 5 1 rupee coins make 5 rupees. Then 2 1 rupee coin makes rupees 2. Now we learn how to count the coins. Similarly, we can add the notes also. Children, let us see how to count the notes. See, here we have a 10 rupee note and a 20 rupee note. Tell me, what is the value of this note? Yes, here we can see the number 10. So, the value of this note is rupees 10 and the value of this note is rupees 20. Then, we will add this amount, that is 10 plus 20. What is 10 plus 20? Let us see. 10 plus 20. 0 plus 0, we know, that is 0. 1 plus 2, yes, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So, the amount is 30. That is rupees 10 plus rupees 20 is equal to rupees 30. Is it clear, children? Yes. Let us do one more example. Here we can see 3 notes, that is 2 20 rupees notes and 1 10 rupee note. Let us count the money. So tell me, what is the value of this note? Yes, it is rupees 20. Here also the value is rupees 20. Then the value of this note is rupees 10. So let us add rupees 20 and rupees 10. Tell me, children, what is 20 plus 20? Yes, 20 plus 20. Let us check. 0 plus 0, 0. 2 plus 2, 4. That is 20 plus 20 is equal to 40. Then let us add 10 with 40. 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. So the amount is 50 rupees. So let us write here 50 rupees. That is 2 20 rupees note and 1 10 rupees note make 50 rupees. In this way, we can add the money. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let us do the exercise problems in your textbook. That is exercise number 2. Here we have to match the values of the coins. See, children, here you can see 2 1 rupee coin, 1 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin and 10 rupee coin. On the other side, we can see 2 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 2 5 rupees coin and 2 50 paise coin. Let us match the values of the coins. Tell me, what is the values of these coins? We know the value of this coin is 1 rupee, this also 1 rupee. So, rupees 1 plus rupees 1, we know rupees 2. Here we have rupees 2 coin. So, let us match this with rupees 2 coin. Right? The next one, rupees 1. Let us check the values of these coins. Here we can see 250 paise coin. We learned 250 paise coins make 1 rupee. How? Yes, 50 paise plus 50 paise, we will get 100 paise. We know 100 paise is equal to 1 rupee. So let us match this 1 rupee coin with these 250 paise coins. The next one, 5 rupees. Here we can see 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. We learn 2 rupees coin and 1 rupees coin make 5 rupees. That is 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. So let us match this 5 rupee coin with this set of 2 rupees coin and 1 rupee coin. Okay, the last one, 10 rupees coin. Here we can see 2 5 rupees coin. What is the total amount when we add 5 rupees and 5 rupees? Yes, 5 plus 5 we will get 10. So let us match this coin with 2 5 rupees coin. Is it clear, children? Yes. Next, let us solve the second set of problems from the exercise number 2. The question is, add and write the values of the notes. We learned how to count the notes. So, here we have to add and write the values of the notes here. First one, here we can see 250 rupees note. We know the value of this note is rupees 50. So let us add rupees 50 and rupees 50. Tell me children, what is 50 plus 50? Yes, 50 plus 50 is equal to 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So 50 plus 50 is equal to 100. That is rupees 50 plus rupees 50 is equal to rupees 100. Is it clear? Yes. The next one, here we can see a 20 rupees note and a 10 rupees note. So the value of this 20 rupees note is rupees 20 and the value of this note is rupees 10. So we have to add 20 plus 10. What is 20 plus 10? Yes, 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So the value of these two notes is rupees 30. Okay, the next one. Here we can see a 50 rupee note and a 5 rupee note. So how can we find out the total amount? Yes, the value of this note is rupees 50 and the value of this note is rupees 5. So let us add 50 plus 5. Can you add these two numbers? Yes, we learned how to add two numbers, right? So first we will add 0 and 5. 0 plus 5 is equal to
5.
Then we will write 5 here. That is 50 plus 5 is equal to 55. So rupees 50 plus rupees 5 is equal to rupees 55. See children, in this way you can add and find out the values of the notes. We learned how to find out the values of the coins also. I hope you have understood today's class. Today we have discussed how to count the money. See children, I have attached notes of lesson and a worksheet along with this video. You have to write down the notes and do the exercise problems in your textbook. Will you do that? Yes. So see you in the next class. Till then, bye.